What are full arch dental implants? So full arch dental implants, sometimes called all-on-4 implants, are a great solution for people who are missing most or all of their teeth in one or both jaws. So instead of replacing each missing tooth individually with separate implants, full arch implants use a set of artificial teeth that are supported by just a few titanium posts, usually about 4 to 6.
All-on-X, or teeth in a day implant system, is something that we do here all the time, and it's a very comfortable and aesthetically pleasing procedure where we take out all the teeth, we put 4 or 5 implants, and patient goes home with teeth that are attached to these implants on the same day. Very comfortable procedure. Patients don't go without teeth at any point. We've seen a lot of success with these kind of restorations, and people are very, very happy with them. The benefit of the all-on-X kind of procedure, or teeth in a day procedure that you hear out there, is that you are going home with teeth that you could chew with on the same day as surgery. It gives you your confidence back for a lot of patients.